Hello, learners. Good morning to all of you. How are you doing, all? I guess all of you doing well. How many of you know me? For those who don't know me, this is Kaisa here. I run my own institute, which is located at Ghosh Nagar, Bharra. So, guys, the reason of making this video is that I want to share my learning experience. Guys, I have been working on English language more than 4 years. So in between my learning, what I have found that learning has been divided into 4 parts. What you gonna learn, it doesn't matter. It has been divided into 4 parts. I am going to share those 4 parts one by one. So let's get started. First, comfort zone. Second, fear zone. Third, learning zone. Fourth, growth zone. What actually happens in fourth zone, I am going to share one by one. So first, comfort zone. So comfort zone means the place where we feel comfort. We don't want to take any extra burden. We like doing the things which we have been doing since childhood or throughout the day. So when we try to learn something new, first thing that we have to do, we have to leave our comfort zone. That's what we don't want to do. As long as you don't leave your comfort zone, so long as you don't put yourself in fear zone. This is the main zone, because the fear zone is something where people will judge you on the basis of your accent, on the basis of your pronunciation, on the basis of your sentence formation skills. So it is, as I told you earlier, it is quite difficult zone. So most of the learners leave their journey in fear zone, because this is human trait. We want to judge others, but we don't want to be judged. When you cross fear zone, precisely you put yourself in learning zone. Learning is zone. Learning zone is something where you learn something new on daily basis. You enhance your skills day by day. You grow up on daily basis. Last but not the least, growth zone. What happens in growth zone? We have to learn something, whatever you want to learn, till the last breath, because learning has no finish line. The more you learn, the more better you become. So guys, in order to learn something new, the first thing that you have to leave your comfort zone. Put yourself in fear zone, let people judge you. That's where your confidence will go up. You know it very well that if you are not confident, you are not able to achieve anything remarkable. That's what I wanted to share with all of you. If you like my video, hit the like button as well as subscribe to my channel. I will upload my video time to time. Bye for now. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning, keep growing. There is no shortcut of learning anything.